Hi there, Bryn from MommyBigger.com, and today I am unboxing the Sun Joe Electric Power Washer. We reviewed a Sun Joe snowblower over the winter, and that worked out really wonderfully for us. And today we have a power washer, which will be great for the summer, washing vinyl siding, washing cars, hosing off our patio set. So let's go through what's in the box here. Attachment. Handle and another attachment. Here's the actual power washing unit. Wheel, so it's easy to move around. Electrical cord. The actual spray nozzle with the trigger. The hose. And here we have a part that's got to go on there that has the adjustment dial and places where you can put solutions and soaps and things like that. Another piece of the attachment, and finally the last thing in the box we have here are the attachments. So we have a 0-degree attachment, 15-degree attachment, 25-degree attachment, 40-degree attachment, and then a soap attachment. And they're all nicely labeled and colored differently so that you can easily identify and grab which one you need. So there you have it, the Sun Joe Electric Power Washer. And I will be posting a full-on review of some projects that we've done around the house with it. We're going to clean our siding, and we're going to clean our patio set and our patio. So,